Some of the other additional features and benefits of the OZ Lever Hoist, starting with the hook. The hook is an alloy forged steel hook that's designed to progressively open at 3 times the working load limit. But remember, the overload is there, so you'll never really be able to get that hook to the capacity where it would open. The second feature is this stainless steel ID tag. This tag is there for the life of the hoist, and all the technical information, especially one of the most important, is the actual load rating. The load rating information is etched into the stainless, so it too is there for the life of the tag. As we turn the OZ hoist, you can notice that there's a shroud here. This shroud does 2 things. One is it acts like a chain guide, so it allows the chain to spool into the hoist, but it also protects that whole assembly from getting contaminated with debris. Another feature is this little tag here that helps clean any kind of debris that might attach to the chain as it's feeding in. The chain is zinc plated. There's no oil on this chain, and what's nice about that is if this hoist gets thrown onto the ground, what does oil do? It grabs everything that it comes in contact with, and it ends up feeding into the hoist. So the zinc plating is a nice feature. And at the end here, this is an end stop. And this end stop does 2 things. One is it gives the operator something to grab a hold of when the hoist is in the neutral position to pull freely through the hoist. But more importantly, this is load rated. So the event that you have something happen to the hoist and the chain starts to transmit through, this will lock and prevent that from unchaining the hoist. Every OZ hoist is powder coated. All roller bearings are sealed. There's a heavy-duty Weston-Style load brake that's covered and can't get contaminated. One last feature is the handle effort. The OZ Lever Hoist is 30 to 40% less effort than most hoists. The OZ latch is the heaviest in the industry, and you can notice that it's attached to the hook with a bolt and lock nut, not a roll pin. And I include a free set of latch kits with every hoist, so that in the event that you do lose a latch, you can quickly put a new one on and stay in compliance with OSHA. Just some great features of this OZ hoist.